Good morning, everyone. Today's date is 17th of January 2025 and it is 5:23 a.m. All right, this is an outlook on GBP/USD. Okay, so long-term outlook. All right, so on GBP/USD, all right, my expectation first was that from the top, that price will hit an SNLC2 monthly. Okay, then come to the yearly. So this is now C2, right? I was expecting it to take this yearly move down to this level or bounce back onto this support. Okay, so we see this SNL, the A shape, this SNL, and look at the reaction of price towards it. There's massive rejections. Okay, so I was expecting price after we left the external C2. I knew that we were going to take this low, that's last year's low. Okay, and currently what I'm expecting is a move back into the range of the previous year's candle. Okay, move back into the range of the previous year's candle. So this is the range of the previous year's candle, this big range. So I expect this candle to move back into the range, and probably if we have a breakout on a lower time frame, I mean monthly or weekly, we expect to see price come back and take this high, but that is subjective. It will depend on a lot of factors. So from that you can see that price missed that SNL on the monthly, but currently reacting to the SNL, I mean, it missed the SNL on the yearly and currently reacting the SNL on the monthly. You see, so you have this strong V shape. All right, so price is on it and reacting to it. Then when I go to the weekly, it is still the fact that price has taken the low of the previous week's candle. Okay, previous week's candle. All right, so if this week, today's Friday, so if Friday closes inside this particular range, and we are able to take this high, then we'll be going for this previous week's high. Okay, so we have taken the previous week's low. If we close inside the week's candles range, not outside, if we close outside, then we are going down. If we close inside, then there's a likelihood we will take this. If we take this, then we go and take this particular external range liquidity. All right, so now what do I expect today? Okay, so yes, yesterday's candle has rejected, so you see that daily range, we are inside these daily candles. Okay, let me remove most of the line. We are inside this daily range, this daily candle. Okay, all right, we are in it. Price has hit the level, and on the daily we have closed inside it, and therefore we have also taken the low, that closing, we've taken the high, and therefore there's a high probability that we take this high. Okay, on the daily, we take this high on the daily. Okay, all right, now let's look for setup. So yesterday price hit this engulfing, hit this candle, right, twice, and now we have created an engulfing from it. So we have a 4-hour engulfing here, so you can also see that there's a trend line to it, right? There's a trend line. Price is respecting the trend line, and therefore we can look for other setups. So here we have this SNL. This is a daily range. I'm moving into the SNL. Okay, so you see we have the V shape, right? So price has an engulfing on the 4-hour. On 1 hour, it is an SNL. Okay, it's an SNL level. We look at the reaction of price to the line. Okay, it is very, very important. Rejection. So if you take trades around this area, whether it is going to hit your stop loss or not, it is going to give you some kind of reaction. So we have that here. So on 30 minutes we have a QM. Okay, so it's that same level It's a QM. So we have a low, a high, a lower low, and a higher high. And opposite it, we have a rally, a drop base rally. Okay, and we have a hidden base here. Okay, so I want to take this trade from this top, and this is my range. Okay, this 15-minute candle is my range, and then I can move this to the top of the range, to the bottom of the range. Okay, and then look back. You see price behavior inside that zone. Okay, price behavior inside that zone. So this is my expectation for today. All right, so inside here, this 15-minute, okay, the zone is really big. Okay, I'll be looking for reaction at least towards this trend line, looking for reaction, looking for lower time frame breakout, looking for lower time frame patterns, SNRC2, SNRC1, QMR, QMC, all those patterns, because remember, this is also a QMC, or this is a 30-minute QMC. Okay, so if I'm supposed to draw the trend line wall, we have a first touch, okay, and then a second touch. So you are looking at this area. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.